My dad's glasses. Losing a loved one is never easy, and holding onto the few mementos we have of them can bring comfort and fond memories. Looking at my dad's Khalid glasses, one can tell that they were well worn and well loved. They are a simple pair of rectangular shaped glasses with thin metal frames that seem to have aged with time. The lenses are slightly tinted and have a slight magnification, indicating that they are prescription glasses. The glasses are a constant reminder of our dads, their character, and their unique style. My dad's glasses were not just any ordinary glasses. They were medical glasses that he relied on to see clearly. These glasses were more than just an accessory. They were a necessity that helped him navigate through life. They were an essential tool that enabled him to carry out his day to day activities with ease. The glasses reveal a lot about my dad's personality. They are a testament to his practicality, his attention to detail, and his willingness to adapt. It takes a certain level of self awareness to acknowledge that my dad did not shy away from this fact that glasses were part of his life. He embraced his need for glasses and found a pair that not only improved his vision, but also complemented his style. As I hold on to these glasses, memories of my dad and his daily routine come flooding back. I remember the time he would sit at the kitchen reading the newspaper in our house in Dora district in Baghdad, with his glasses perched on the bridge of his nose. I remember him reaching for his glasses to examine something closely or to read a book while I fix some tea or coffee. I remember when he calls me saying, "Hey, sweetie, bring my glasses." I remember how the glasses would slide down his nose when he laughed, and how he would quickly adjust them with a gentle push. My dad's glasses were more than just a pair of lenses. They were a symbol of his perseverance, his resilience, and his ability to adapt. They remind me of his unwavering love and support and the lessons he taught me throughout my life. They represent the memories and the moments that I shared together, and they will always hold a special place in my heart as I row my life with his glasses. My dad's glasses were a symbol of his personality, his practicality, and his willingness to love us unconditionally while wearing his smile on his face. These glasses were the window that he used to see us through. They were an essential tool that helped him navigate through life, and they hold a special place in my heart as a reminder of the memories and moments that I shared together with him. As I hold on to them, may they bring me comfort, and may they serve as a constant reminder of the love and support that my dad had for me.